Hello everyone, in front of me is Honor 70 and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. But first, open the settings, then find and select users and accounts and click on add account. Pick Google then. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and now provide your user. So I usually log in with my email address, so let me enter the email address. You can also use your phone number if you wish. Now let me enter the password of the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. Tap on next again. Here you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. Tap on I agree then. Accept, and that's it. As you can see, from now on your account is added, and then whenever you wish to remove it, smoothly tap on remove and then confirm your decision. So that's it, that will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.